Got another one buttoned up in my shop. This is an EFI conversion on a Hilborn injector. All these early Hemi castings are very expensive, so I do as much as I can not to modify the castings for EFI conversions. A lot of times you weld in bungs and all that stuff. So I took a different approach this time, and I put all the EFI in plates below it so that the castings basically bolt on top. The only actual machining on the casting I did was right here, was to a little relief to get over that fuel rail, since everything's so tight and compact. Kind of tricky, but nonetheless, we got some fuel rails down the center and these plates here. Also on this plate, there's idle air control passages where the nozzles originally were. I'm using that to plumb in for a map sensor. So there's a section in this block where a map sensor ties them all together. Also, the linkage, still using mechanical leakage to operate a TPS. There's a TPS sensor back here. There's the map sensor. On the back side, there's idle air control motor and some lines that go to each plate. Down here, this was rifle drilled down the whole length of the plate to tie into each runner to try and hide that system. Fuel rail, got to weld on an extension here for the fuel rail feed to clear the distributor on these. Always tricky. Turned out really neat. We got Cerakoted casting, looks like magnesium, some chrome stacks. All the black is hard anodized for the EFI plates. Super compact, clean system. Doesn't really take away from the fact of it being stack injection. So gonna look pretty cool in the early Ford hot rod. Excited to see it put to use. On to the next one.